Hey, I'm back here at the wood shop, and I'm actually trying to finish this bowl that I lathed out here a little while ago. I actually took a log and cut it, and then I rough cut a bowl, left the sides real thick, the bottom thick, and tried to let it dry out a little bit. And then what happened was that the bowl began to crack, split apart, and when I put it back on the lathe to try to size it up a little bit more, it just completely exploded on me, and I had to glue the whole thing back together again in lots of different parts. I salvaged it, and then what I did was, once I had it glued back together, I went ahead and dadoed out about a 1-inch detail in two places here. I put in a real thin piece of 1-inch birch that I ripped down and wrapped around inside there several times, glued it, clamped it, and then I filled the holes with a mixture of sawdust and glue, and it's been sitting now for a couple of weeks. And now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and figure out a way to put it back on the lathe and try to bring it back down to size. I'm actually just going to take it right a real thin pass and try and leave as much as this on there as I can. I'm not going to do much to the outside except clean it up. On the inside, I'm going to make it maybe a little bit thinner, and then I'm going to go down about 3/4 of an inch on the inside right there. Then I'll probably put a little load of stain on it, cut off the tenon that I've got here, and then give this away as a gift. So I guess let's get started doing that. The key is trying to figure out a way to make it towards just about where it was before. That's kind of hard with this tenon. The tenon's out of whack and the other piece is out of whack. So I'm trying to figure out a way to get that done. It might be okay. Let me try and tighten that up.